In this video, we will show you how to install Zoom application on ChromeOS Flex. As we know, ChromeOS Flex doesn't support to install Google Play Store. So, rather than using Google Play Store, it's hard to find how to install Google Play Store on ChromeOS Flex. We can use the Zoom for the Linux version because ChromeOS Flex is based on Linux. How to do that? First in here, you need to set up your Linux development environment here by clicking your settings. Okay, just find settings on your Chrome OS Flex and select about Chrome OS, and you see the developer tab here, and you can set up Linux development environment. Okay, and click next. Give the username whatever you want, and you can custom the disk size, and we recommend you to using approximately 100 gigabytes. Okay, and click install. The installing Linux development environment is take for a while. Okay, while waiting the installation is done, you can also directly download the Zoom for Linux. Open your web browser and you can download Zoom for Linux. Okay, you can also type on the Google, okay, like this, Zoom for Linux, and find in the Google search, and you will find the Zoom for Linux download page. Okay, in here you need to select your Linux version because Chrome OS Flex using Debian. You must select Debian in here, and for architecture let it by default 64-bit and click download. Okay, now the download has been processed. We need to wait to process here. We can close the Chrome browser, and we need to waiting the installing Linux development environment and also the download process here. In here, after the installation is done, you can copy the Zoom that you just download into the Linux files here. Okay, we need to wait this download is complete and the installation of the Linux development environment is complete also. So you need to be patient here. Now the download is complete. Just wait the installing the Linux development environment. After the Linux development environment installation is complete, you can see you will have the terminal with Penguin versions or Linux version here. If you accidentally close this terminal, you can reopen by typing terminal on the launcher. Okay, typing terminal in here also will open your Penguin terminal. Just clicking the Penguin terminal here. Okay, before we installing the Zoom apps, like I said before, we need to copy our Zoom that we just download into the Linux files. Just copy into the Linux files here and paste. Wait until the copy 100% here. After the copy is complete, we can close this. Okay, before we execute the command, it's better to reopen our folder and select Linux files because we need to use this name package. So we need just open terminal again. Okay, to see our package is easier like this, and to start the installation we need just using sudo apt install dot slash the Zoom package name here. Okay, you can try to using tab and hit the enter and press Y, hit the enter again, and if the error happen, you can using another command. Okay, you can see this is usually filed to fetch. Okay, you need to type sudo apt get update like this and hit enter. Okay, after that you need to install the sudo apt get space install space dash f. Okay, sudo apt dash get install dash f like this. Now you can reinstall your Zoom apps by retyping again sudo apt install the Zoom package name. You can using up keyboard to using the command that you ever enter and hit enter again in here and press Y. Okay, you can see now the installation seems successfully. You can see now there is progress, not like before. Okay, the Zoom apps will appear on the Linux application here. So any Linux application you install will appear in here. We need to wait until 100% and we can open the Zoom apps. We can saving memory by closing the settings. Okay, and we let just only terminal here and seeing the Zoom apps here. Okay, okay, like this. So we need to wait until Zoom installation is complete and appear in here. Please wait. Now 99% of the progress. If all progress is done, we can try to open the Zoom for Linux they install on the ChromeOS Flex. Also for the notes, for the first time use, maybe opening Zoom is little slowing, but after you open for the 2 times and etc, it will faster. So you need to be patient. Now the installation is complete. Okay, no warning file message here. We can close the terminal and we can try to open Zoom application on the Linux apps. For the first time use, like I said before, it may be slowly, but after you open for the 2 times and the next opening again, you will see it faster. Okay, this is the Zoom is still loading and working here. Now the Zoom application successfully installed and opening, and we can join a meeting. We can also sign in here, okay, and creating the account also. Okay, let's open for the 2 times, and like I say, it will faster. Okay, I already clicked the Zoom and it faster to open. That's all tutorial how install Zoom application on the Chrome OS Flex that doesn't support to install Google Play Store. We can install the desktop available version. Hope this video helpful for you.